Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC, and we are in Alexandria, Virginia, and we just finished up a nice driveway project with some complicated aspects to it. So as you see, these neighbors are close together, and they actually share this driveway. So this is two residence driveways, and we did the expansion joint down the middle to separate them. But these two neighbors were able to pull their money together and get into the economy of scale pricing and save some money by doing the project together as a team. So whenever you got a neighbor you can hook up with, it's a good idea. Let's take a closer look at some of the features here. So you see over here we were able to put in one straight slope of walkway with no steps. Previously over there at the stoop they had a large step down, probably 9-10 inches, and then they had a step up like this kind of going to the street that you see. So we were able to remove that out and bring the step up into the house to match, so the step from the walkway up to the stoop is identical. Carried a nice walkway over to the driveway. Now here's where that walkway comes into the driveway area. Goes around to the back there, which is going to be for trash can storage. And then this leveled out area here, which was fairly complicated to figure out, and you see it's nice trowel finish on that. That's actually a flat level surface where a shed's going to be. Now we have the negative slope coming from the street here. So because of that, he didn't want the water running into his shed. So what's hidden under the blue tape there is actually an ACO drain, which will collect any water. And there's a little slope from the shed pad back into the drain this way from right to left. So any water that comes down here will get into that drain, and then that drain daylights over here in the yard just past that yellow flag there. So as you see, we were able to bring together some complicated drainage. I mean, just the tie-in from the walkway here is a little higher, and how it kind of ramps down into there, and then connecting to the neighbor's driveway. I'll go over to the other side real quick to give you a shot from that way. So on the neighbor's driveway, we had to match the level here on the brick that was existing. But again, the shed pad had to go level. So you see how the grade dropped off here, and we were able to have these slabs come together. You can also see that ramp going back to the drain a little better on this side, and kind of the slope coming off the walkway. But all this is sloped perfectly, so the water will run off. We got a nice level shed pad area here. And then here's the backside view of the shed pad, and then the walkway leading back to the front, which is going to be trash can storage. This shed pad does have a turn down footing the whole way around it to support the elevated structure. And here's one final shot of the project. So if you have anything concrete wise, that's our specialty, especially when it gets into drainage situations and weird grading and structural aspects like we had here on this project. So I hope you like what you see, and you would give us a call for your project as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.